photograph in which we were in love, caught in your eyes, waiting for the sunrise. I barely even knew who you were. What did you do? I didn't care, 'cause you were perfect, I swear. But somebody told me that it's over. Oh no, it's true. You made me happy for a while.
Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to my channel, Kavia's Vlog. But before that, I'm going to start. I just want to start with a big shout out to all of you. Happy May Day, everyone. So good morning. This morning I was going to make a green smoothie. So let's get started. Thank you. Please stay tuned and keep watching. Alright guys, start now. See you. Alright, today I have some greenery. So go green. I have cucumber. Ano ba yung tawag sa Tagalog? Cucumber. Ito yung pinakamahirap na bigkasin ko. At mayroon akong spinach and avocado. And lagyan ko siya ng half of banana para ano siya, may pang palapot. So, and then I add some almond. And alright, let's start. Now I just add a handful of. How are you everyone? Thank you so much for keep watching and subscribe to my channel. So I just add a handful of spinach because I have a cucumber. My God, so hard. help me guys. Hirap mag-pronounce ang Bisaya. Hirap talaga. Kali lang to. Not hard. Guys, so sana okay lang kayong lahat dyan. So mga keep connecting with your family, you know. Mahalin yung mga sarili nyo. And always be grateful lang tayo sa family natin. Yung nanay natin, mag-Mother's Day na. So happy advance Mother's Day to my mom and to all the mothers in the world. And to me, happy Mother's Day to me. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day, guys. Ayan. Half lang yung lagyan natin na, banana. Check natin dyan sa ating ginagamit na Nutribullet. Matagal na to, na blender. Kailangan na siguro nang mag-upgrade to. As long as it's still working, so we just keep using. So, yan. Ito, kunti lang yung avocado. Kasi mayroon akong banana. So, dagdag lang ito. Ayan. Sabi nga nila, avocado is good for, sabi lang yung mga yung pang-detox, yung mga green. Ayan, hindi ako food nutritionist, but I'm trying to eat healthy because my sugar is high, my liver is a bit fatty, and last night we have a big dinner, so ibahin natin ng konti yung morning breakfast natin. Nilagyan ko siya ng almond. 13 pieces lang daw, parang Chinese na pamahin. So, lagyan natin ng 3 na almond, 9, 10, so 13. 13 lang, tapos yung isa sa baba. Gusto ko yung roasted, pero ito hindi ito roasted. Mas maganda hindi roasted. Kung gusto niyo, kasi wala naman akong almond milk this morning, so gagamitin ko lang. Yung full creamer. Ayan. Bibili pa ako ng almond, kasi walang almond milk eh. Milky me. Or coconut milk, almond milk. Wala akong almond milk. Wala. Yan. So if you really want, you want more sugary, you can add honey or sugar. So it's all good. Natsahin lang yung pag gusto mo madali lang, hindi masyado malapot. Pero pag smoothie bowl, medyo sobrang malapot yun kasi smoothie bowl eh. Iba yung doon, may mga toppings ko yun. So shake yung smoothie yung gawin ko. Shake your body. Alright guys, umpisa na. Ayan, so sirado na lang natin. Hindi maraming ginagawa ko, yan lang. So, ayan. Gusto ko kaagad to. Hindi ko i-editin to. Para makita nyo talaga. Walang edit yan. Madali lang pag hindi magsalita. Mabilis lang, walang 5 minutes. Kung diretso mo gawin. Shout out to my 3 members. Si Leticia Noble Mix Vlog, si Mama G, si Mayura. Shout out to cooking na yan, yung very informative live streamer. Cynthia, Inel, Mama G, Mayura. Mami Bell, thank you for being solid. Always, from Isabelite and the Togs community na charity na joinan ko. Shout out to you, Madam Sitang. Prayers and thoughts for you, for the family. Shout out to Akuito Vlog. Thank you, brother, for doing the good charity work. So, yan na, guys. See? Ayan. Harap. Pause muna sandali. Ayan. Let's drink. Ayan. Sa green na green. Tama lang yung ginawa ko. Isang glass lang. So, it's just enough for me. Minsan marami. Sarap. Pwede mo rin additional almond. Chia seed. So, lagyan natin ng konting disenyo. Pagpapicture. Ayan. Ayan. Sarap. Alright. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you like my green smoothie. Madali lang siya. Hindi mahirap. Para hindi, kasi alam mo yun, yung lasa ng spinach, iba yung parang walang lasa eh. So, pag ilagay mo sa smoothie, may prutas ka, apple, or pears, or strawberry, kahit anong klaseng prutas, or pineapple, or mango, kahit anong klaseng prutas, dagdag, no need to add sugar. Tulad ko, mataas yung sugar ko, so limit ako sa ano. Diba? Cheers! So good. Tastes so good. Honestly, good. Yan yung right? Hindi ko na-picturean yung ano. Alright, thank you so much. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Kung mayroon kayong gustong itanong, tanong nyo lang. And leave your comments, positive or negative. I'm happy to accept so I can learn more and explore more. Alright guys, happy May Day, happy Mother's Day to all mothers all over the world. God bless, have a nice day. Thank you so much and bye-bye. See you next vlog. Sabia's vlog, don't forget to subscribe, please.